Here we have a 2018 BMW 340i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, as you can see just there. We do also have the mineral grey metallic paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black front kidney grills and also the front splitter as well. We do have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so as we come around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. But now we also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the gloss black rear spoiler on the tailgate. We do have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and an audible warning. Dual exit exhaust at the back, and there's a look at that rear end. Making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll also find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior quickly, coming into the back you can see the full black leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre. We also have fixed ISO points as well back here, brush metal door handles and electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats with both front seats being heated. There's a quick look at both of them. On the doors you find the electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. Automatic lights just down here. We also have the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters on either side. Got the dashboard in front of us, put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle starts up. We do have the speed limiter and the cruise control just there on the left. Now as you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. If that's flickering or if any lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. So it's currently showing the sat nav, but we also have plenty of features with the buttons down here. Click onto media, you find the radio stations, we have the other media options just here which we can scroll through. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. Now moving further down, you then find the dual zone climate control, we have the ice-cold air conditioning and the heated seats as well either side, all working as they should do. We then have the cup holders underneath there, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the front and rear parking sensors. We also have the park button just there, manual handbrake, and finally the leather armrest here in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 340i M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. And as you can see, I'm going to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to stick the car into manual mode, we simply tap on the paddles to change gear. We do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons and phone connectivity on the right. And if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather seats as well throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable and can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, which is currently showing the sat nav. Again, has plenty of features on there you would have seen on the photos, for example the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Now we also have the dual zone climate control just down here, which has the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. Of course we have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now if you aren't local to us, we do also offer free nationwide next day delivery, which can be to your home or to your place of work. We are about to take a right hand turn, so if we put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down and wait for the cars to go past. So wait for this last car to go past and then make the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and then I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.